Welcome to another room tour, and today it is the Sheraton Hotel in Cascais in Portugal. And this is room 244. It's a bit of a suite, so give you a little bit of a look around, show you what you can expect if you were to book a room here like this. So there's a pretty big living room area here. It's got nice high ceilings. There's a balcony here as well. It's quite a good sized balcony that just overlooks the reception area. So bear in mind we have a little bit of traffic of people coming and going here, but it's a pretty nice big balcony as well. This is the top floor, so it's not a high building. And yeah, there's plenty of seating area around. You've got a television behind me, table here. There is a kind of nice kitchen area here, so if you were doing something here on a sort of self-catering thing, you could. Everything is here that you might sort of expect. Microwave, there's coffee machine, kettles, two hobs. It's all pretty good. There is obviously, in-room dining as well if you want, but there's plenty of all the amenities are here. You've got a fridge, all the sort of stuff that you would want to have in a kitchen in a suite. It's very easy to do whatever you want to do here. So then moving through, there's a little bit of a hallway here. So this is when you come in the door. Then to the right, you have a bathroom right in front of you. I'll come back to that in a moment. And then this is the bedroom. Nice size double bed, some lights. There's the usual sort of features. You've got like plugs right beside your bed. And yeah, plenty of lighting. You can turn everything on and off from your bed. There's a small little desk there. It's a bit shallow, but it's fine if you have to do a little bit of a few things. To be honest, you're probably gonna work on the table inside. Then there's another window out here, but wardrobe space. There's a bit of wardrobe space in there too. And obviously you've got all the usual things, safes and various bits and pieces, but I'll give you a look anyway, just so you can see what it's like. You also get an ironing board, plenty of hangers, bathrobes, and slippers as well. So that's what it's like there. I'll give you another look in here. Again, loads of shelving. So if you were planning on being here for quite a while, there's plenty of places to put your items. Air conditioning is just here. And then I'll just give you a quick look at the bathroom. Again, it's quite nice. You've got a bath and shower combo, decent enough size bath. And just close this door behind me. You've then got the sink and all the other facilities here. So yeah, this is the bathroom. And yeah, it's pretty nicely finished in here. It's quiet as well, which is good. And the advantage of being on the top floor, so you're not going to have people walking around upstairs either. So yeah, it's a quick room tour of the Sheraton Hotel here in Cascais. Hope you've found this useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about it or ask a question, just drop a comment in here and I will reply to them as best I can. And why not subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these. And we're going to keep making these hotel room tours in the hope that you find it useful in your travels.